When cold New England winters hit Worcester, even the smallest draft can make your home feel uncomfortable and drive up heating costs. Many homeowners overlook one of the most common sources of heat loss: poorly installed doors. A properly installed door not only enhances your home's appearance and security but also plays a key role in maintaining energy efficiency. Understanding the cause of drafts occur when outside air leaks into your home through gaps or cracks around doors. This can happen due to several reasons: an uneven frame, poor weather stripping, or an incorrect door size. In older homes around Worcester, natural settling can also shift door frames slightly, widening the space between the door and the jamb. Even a tiny gap is enough to let cold air seep in during winter or escape during summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Improper door installation often causes these issues right from the start. If a door isn't leveled, insulated, and sealed correctly, it can warp over time, leaving uneven spacing that allows air infiltration. Energy efficiency starts with a perfect fit. A well-installed door fits snugly within its frame. Professional installers take exact measurements to ensure the door hangs evenly on its hinges and seals tightly when closed. The alignment of the threshold, jamb, and weather stripping all contribute to an airtight fit. In Worcester's variable climate, where temperatures can swing from freezing winters to humid summers, this tight seal makes a noticeable difference. When your door closes flush with the frame, there's no space for cold air, moisture, or even noise to enter. That means your heating and cooling systems maintain indoor comfort without wasting energy, translating to lower monthly utility bills. The importance of proper insulation in sealing a professional door installation goes beyond just mounting the door. Installers also apply high-quality insulation materials and sealants around the frame to block air leaks. Expanding foam, caulk, and durable weather stripping are strategically used to create a continuous thermal barrier between your home and the outdoors. In Worcester's older neighborhoods, where many homes have original wooden doors, upgrading to a new, energy-efficient model with proper installation can have an immediate impact. Doors with insulated cores, such as fiberglass or steel, combined with a well-sealed frame, prevent heat loss even when temperatures drop below freezing. Comfort and cost savings for homeowners. Eliminating drafts through correct installation not only reduces energy waste but also improves comfort. You'll no longer feel cold spots near entryways, and your indoor temperatures will remain consistent. Over time, these small improvements add up. Homeowners can save up to 15% on annual energy costs simply by sealing leaks and upgrading to properly installed doors. Additionally, preventing drafts helps protect your home's structure. Excess moisture entering through gaps can lead to warped wood, peeling paint, and even mold growth. With a correctly installed and sealed door, you maintain a healthier and longer-lasting home environment. Professional door installation in Worcester. While DIY door installations might seem tempting, the precision required for an airtight fit is best handled by professionals. Local Worcester door experts understand the unique challenges of Massachusetts weather and the building styles common in the area. They use advanced tools and materials to ensure every part of the door, from hinges to thresholds, is aligned and sealed properly. Choosing a qualified installer also means peace of mind. Professionals can identify and fix hidden issues, such as uneven subfloors or misaligned frames, that could lead to future drafts. Conclusion: in Worcester homes, where winter winds can be relentless, proper door installation is your first defense against drafts. It ensures comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term protection for your property. Whether you're replacing an aging front door or upgrading your entire entry system, investing in professional installation is one of the smartest ways to keep your home warm, efficient, and welcoming year-round.